Okay, quick update. There's the 2100. So the kit works, but it doesn't. It actually, you can bolt the Elderbrock up to it, and you can bolt it to a 2-barrel intake for a Ford, which would be a 2100 or the Holly, same version. So they give you these screws, and there's no way to, they aren't long enough because you have the vapor recovery off the PCV that feeds to the bottom side of the carburetor through a, well, similar to this one, but a fiber one. And that draws, that's where you get your vacuum to draw off your PVC. So what I had to do is, let's see if I got, so I used some of these. And what I did was I cut a slot in the top of them, but first I rounded them down to this size. And then I put a slot in the top of it for a straight screwdriver. And I put a little bit of blue, yeah, it's been a long day. Blue Loctite on it. There we go. Let me get the words out here tonight. So then I don't know what the idle is on that right now. I haven't checked it, but just took it for a ride. The fuel problem is gone. It runs very well. Getting the fuel it needs now, and it's the 500 CFM Elderbrock. I know why I changed this one out. Didn't have electric choke, and the other part of it is the floats had been sticking, and one of the floats was wet, full of fuel. So I ordered new floats and changed it, and we're around 700-800 on the tachometer. Come on, one-handed doesn't work. There we go. There we go. It's actually quite darker here than what the camera's showing. About 10 minutes to 9. Oh, sorry, not showing you anything. Okay. So, I just took it for a little ride. The hesitation and the barking like it was out of time was because it was running lean, but as you can see, let's get a little light on there. I'd say that's 800. I don't know if I want to turn it down anymore, but let's see. Yeah, I'll take that all day. Okay, so yeah, the 2100 is good for like a 302, 289, just not big enough. In the local places that I was trying to buy them for the bigger block, 352, 390, 420, they just don't have the jets. And I told I could enter it, ordered the jets to put in it, but I wasn't that interested. So still got to fix up the wiring that came on some of this truck. That's for the electric, oh no, that's for the ready to run distributor and the flamethrower coil. So I got to do a little cleaning up on this. New hood hinges last summer, and yeah, she's ready to rock and roll. It was ready anyway, but good old clean hoods. Okay, again, we're at the little shop tonight. So okay, thanks for subscribing, and tell me what you think about putting a two-barrel conversion to a 4-barrel on a car if you've ever done it before. One minor problem, and readjusting where the throttle holder for the cable goes. But that, I mean, those are all small things. Those are very minor. The bolts and everything, really minor. I usually have a lot of grade 8s laying around, so I use grade 8s. A little Loctite. Okay, see you soon.